Dehydration reaction. Dehydration means removal of H2 group. In this reaction, this is 1 degree alcohol CH3 CH2 OH. It is 1 degree alcohol, and this reaction take place in the presence of copper and 573 Kelvin. This reagent we can write in this way: CH3 CH H OH. In this reactant, two hydrogen atom remove in this way and H2 gas release, and this oxygen atom take place negative charge and carbon atom positive charge. Here two single bond are break, then one double bond formation take place between carbon atom and oxygen atom. This is aldehyde functional group CHO. CH3 CHO ethanol. Next example is CH3 COH. 2 degree alcohol, 2 degree alcohol. When 2 degree alcohol react with copper in the presence of 573 Kelvin. In this 2 degree alcohol, H2 dehydrogenation take place. One hydrogen atom, another is this hydrogen atom remove, and H2 gas release, and negative charge on this oxygen atom, and when hydrogen atom remove, positive charge on this carbon atom. Negative charge and positive charge take place double bond. This is carbonyl bond, C double bond O, and the formation of ketone and acetone, C double bond O, CH3, and in 3 degree alcohol, CH3 OH. This is 3 degree alcohol. In 3 degree alcohol, not dehydration possible. First step take place hydrogenation. Hydrogenation means removal of H2O group, and dehydrogenation means removal of H2 gas. This is the 3 degree hydrogen CH3 OH. 3 degree alcohol, OH and hydrogen remove in the form of H2O, and in the presence of copper and 573 Kelvin. Then the formation of alkene double bond. This is प्रोपीन. सेम इसी तरीके से हम अदर जितने भी अल्कोहल है उनको हम क्या कर सकते हैं, कॉपर के प्रेजेंस में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ सूटेबल रिएजेंट में. नेक्स्ट में हम देखेंगे डार्जन रिएक्शन एंड अल्कोहल की रिएक्शन फॉस्फोरस पेंटाक्लोराइड एंड फॉस्फोरस ट्राइक्लोराइड के प्रेजेंस में. This is Darjan reaction. When alcohol react with SOCl2. SOCl2 is thionyl chloride, S double bond O Cl. This reaction we can explain in simple way. This bond break and this bond break. RCl and HCl and the formation of SO2 gas. This reaction is very important for the formation of alkyl halide. In this reaction, pure SO2 and HCl gas we get. Another reaction, PCl5. In PCl5, we react alcohol with PCl5. This reaction we can explain in this way. ROH react with PCl5, Cl. In first step, this R group react with first chlorine atom and the formation of RCl, and another hydrogen react with chlorine second molecule and the formation of HCl, and in third step P and 3 chlorine atom and 1 oxygen atom, formation of POCl3. नेक्स्ट रिएक्शन इज एल्कोहल की आपको करवानी है फॉस्फोरस ट्राइक्लोराइड के प्रेजेंस में. इन दिस रिएक्शन वी टेक प्लेस 3 एल्कोहल 1 2 3 एंड PCl3. इस रिएक्शन को आप इस तरीके से सिंपल वे में अरेंज कर सकते हो. इस रिएक्शन में देखिए 3OH ग्रुप रिएक्ट विथ 1 phosphorus atom and the formation of H3PO3 and remaining 3 R group react with 3 chloride group and the formation of 3 RCl alkyl halide. नेक्स्ट में हम देखेंगे फिनोल की केमिकल रिएक्शन, नाइट्रेशन, सल्फोनेशन, ब्रोमिनेशन रिएक्शन. इस पार्ट में इतना ही.